Yo, remember those tiny spinning toys that literally took over 2017? Yep, fidget spinners. They were marketed as focus tools. But let's be real, everyone just flipped them, twisted them, and showed off tricks like they were Olympic athletes. Schools lost it, parents were like please, no more, and TikTok went totally insane with spinner videos. Some rare spinners? People actually paid over $100 for plastic toys. Crazy, right? But just like that, poof. The craze vanished. Shelves emptied, hype died, and everyone moved on. Moral of the story? Trends explode fast. And disappear even faster. So next time you see something going viral, remember, don't get hypnotized by the spin.